Good afternoon, I'm Gary Smith, and I am a criminal defense trial lawyer with a special interest in self-defense cases. I've tried many and been successful with them. The probably most significant of which is a case involving a man who shot and killed 3 people one night. His name is Dennis. He is my friend, and he is home right now and has been since the jury found him not guilty. And the reason they found him not guilty was because he acted in self-defense. And we proved that, which theoretically, at least, the prosecution has to prove everything. But when you claim self-defense, the prosecution has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that it was not. So obviously, you don't just say it was self-defense. You have to show something, and we did. Now, the point of this video today is twofold. One is to tell you that's what I like to do. There's law that supports it, beginning with the founding of this nation and the founding fathers saying that self-defense is a natural right, or that it's God's right. We have Penal Code section 198.5 in California that tells us if someone invades our home, we can use up to deadly force to defend ourselves or others. We have jury instruction number 505 that defines justifiable homicide, which means that sometimes when you kill someone, it can be justifiable, and self-defense is the primary reason for that. If you're defending yourself or someone else from great bodily injury or death, you can use up to deadly force, and it's considered justifiable homicide. Now, my friend Dennis has been the subject of a program that should be aired in a couple of months called Fear Thy Neighbor. And I'm also working on a book, not a novel, it's a true story, and it's called I'm a Boy Scout, which is about Dennis's case, because the first time he was threatened by one of the deceased, he told him, I don't want any trouble. I'm a Boy Scout. The Boy Scout motto is be prepared. And from that day forward, Dennis carried a gun. And when he had to, and didn't want to, but he had to, he shot and killed 3 people one night. Shot them all through the heart. It's an interesting story. It's a painful story to Dennis. It's a painful story, of course, to the families of those who were killed. But if Dennis hadn't killed them, it was clear they would have killed him. So I'll let you know more as we progress, but I wanted you to know that's what I'm doing right now.